The UK job market is competitive, with job seekers vying for their dream roles. A crucial part of this journey is understanding the nuances of crafting a CV and cover letter that resonate with UK recruiters. These documents are your first impressions, showcasing your skills, experience, and personality to potential employers. This guide will provide essential tips to create compelling job applications that capture recruiters' attention. Remember, your journey to employment starts with crafting a stellar CV and cover letter. Your CV or curriculum vitae is a detailed document outlining your work history, education, skills, and achievements. In the UK, CVs typically follow a reverse chronological format, listing your most recent experience first. Start with your personal details, including your name, contact information, and LinkedIn profile. Next, outline your work experience, starting with your current or most recent role. Use action verbs to make your contributions stand out. For example, say, successfully managed a team of 10 to exceed sales targets by 15%. Following your work experience, detail your education and qualifications. Finally, highlight your key skills, tailoring them to the specific job requirements. A cover letter is your opportunity to make a personal connection with the recruiter and explain why you're the perfect fit for the role. Begin with a strong opening paragraph that grabs the reader's attention. Mention the specific job title you're applying for and where you saw the advert. Briefly state why you're interested in the position and what you can bring to the role. Expand on your relevant skills and experience, providing concrete examples. Tailor your cover letter to each job, demonstrating your understanding of the company and the role. Conclude by reiterating your enthusiasm and expressing your eagerness to learn more. Crafting a compelling CV and cover letter can be daunting. Professional CV writing services can be incredibly beneficial. These experts understand what recruiters look for in job applications. They can help you present your skills and experience in the most favorable light. Professional writers transform your CV and cover letter into compelling documents that grab attention. They use industry-specific keywords and tailor your applications to specific job requirements. Improve clarity and conciseness, ensure your key skills and experience are easily identifiable. Having a professionally written CV and cover letter can boost your confidence. This gives you a competitive edge and makes the job search process less stressful. If you're considering using a professional CV writing service, there are several ways to find reputable providers. Online platforms like read.co.uk, LinkedIn, and professional networking sites often have dedicated sections for CV writing services. When contacting a CV writing service, provide them with your existing CV, career goals, and the specific roles or industries you're targeting. Reputable services typically offer a free initial consultation to discuss your requirements. During this consultation, ask about their experience, process, and any guarantees they offer. The process usually involves providing the writer with your current CV and any additional information they require. You will have the opportunity to review and provide feedback on the drafts before the final versions are completed. Your CV and cover letter are your initial tools for success in the UK job market. They are your chance to make a powerful first impression and secure that all-important interview. A well-crafted CV is clear, concise, and tailored to the specific job you're applying for. Use action verbs to highlight your accomplishments and quantify your achievements. Your cover letter should complement your CV, providing further details about your skills and experience. Consider the benefits of using a professional CV writing service if you're struggling to create impactful applications. With the right approach and tools, you can increase your chances of landing your dream job.